Hi, today I'm going to be talking about oral motor exercises for children. So, what are oral motor skills? Oral motor skills is the appropriate appearance and functioning of the facial muscles. The facial muscles include the jaw, the lips, the tongue, the cheek, and the palate. The appropriate functioning of these muscles is extremely important for normal speech and language development and for feeding skills. So these skills develop during the fetal stage and they continue to develop in a child up till 4 years of age. The functioning of these various facial muscles include the following aspects. They are the awareness, the strength, the coordination, endurance, and the movement. So these 5 skills are extremely important for each of the muscle to function correctly. Sometimes it may happen that there is a delay or a deviance in the development of the oral motor skills in a child. So this may lead to feeding issues or to communication disorders or to a delayed speech and language development. There are a few points that you have to note prior to practicing these exercises at home. If you suspect that your child has a speech and language delay or an oral motor skill deviance, then I would highly recommend you to first consult with a speech language therapist prior to doing these exercises by yourself, because it is very important to make sure that we are doing something right to achieve the desired outcome. I'm going to be telling you some oral motor exercises that you can do today for your child. So I would be listing 2 exercises each for the jaw, the lip, the tongue, cheeks, and the palate. Remember that you can do these exercises into 10 repetitions of each exercises as 2 sets each. And you can either do it once or twice a day. You can measure the progress in a few days or a few weeks. Remember that these exercises are general exercises that I will be talking about today. A speech language therapist would be the right person to go to if you want to get more specified treatment for your child. For the jaw, the first 2 exercises that you can do is open the jaw wide and hold it for 5 seconds. You can use a timer to do this exercise. Another exercise that you can do is to drink from a straw. You can use a small glass of water and you can use a straw to drink through it. So the next exercise for the lip can be to make a ooh and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. The other one that you can do is to spread the lips as in E and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Another exercise that you can do is to simply make p, p, p or poo, poo, poo sound for 10 times with your lips. The next exercise for the tongue is to hold the tongue outside for 5 seconds minimum. So you can use a timer again for this. The next one, you can hold the tongue up for 5 seconds. Another exercise that you can do is to simply lick a lollipop. You can place the lollipop outside and you can encourage your child to lick the lollipop. The next exercises are for the cheeks. So here you go. The first one you can do is to blow a bubble. You can use the bubble wand to do this exercise. Another one that you can do is to simply puff the cheek and hold it for anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds. The next set of exercises are for the palate. Over here, you can simply make the child to suck through a straw and you can change the consistency of the liquid from thin to a little thick and then to a puree. Another exercise that you can do is to simply alternate between the sounds ma, na, ma, na, ma, na. These are some of the exercises that you can do for your child. Now, it's very important to remember that while you do these exercises, Try to incorporate during the playtime so that your child will cooperate with you better. You can use puppets or a mirror to model the right way to do the exercise. Also, reward your child generously so that your child stays motivated throughout the time you're doing the exercises. If you have any more questions regarding oral motor exercises for children or on speech therapy, please feel free to contact us at info@onespecialplace.com. You can also send us a message on Instagram or on our Facebook handles. Thank you.